Clay County school leaders are pushing back against a lawsuit brought by two parents. The parents say a counselor helped their child navigate a gender identity transition without their approval. The district filed a motion to have the case tossed out, calling it demonstrably untrue. News4JAX reporter Joe McLean spoke with both sides about this issue.
The parents of a 12-year-old Clay County student filed the lawsuit in late January. They say their elementary student approached a school counselor to talk about a gender identity transition. The lawsuit accuses administrators of breaching the parents' rights by not telling them about the conversations until the child disclosed that they had attempted suicide. When News4JAX first told you about this case in January, the parents said that gender identity transition is inconsistent with their Catholic Christian faith and that the school does not have the right to allow a child to deviate from those beliefs.
Clearly, the school staff was playing doctors and playing parents with my daughter, disregarding our religious beliefs and undermining our parental authority by putting our daughter's mental, emotional, and physical health in jeopardy. They have clearly violated our rights.
The district's attorney has asked the judge to dismiss the case, arguing that the parents didn't cite any specific religious right that was violated. The district argued that it doesn't have a legal obligation to notify parents about private discussions with the student. Molly Sasso is a family attorney not affiliated with this case.
Any state institution, which may include school boards or schools because they are run by the government, can't make any laws or rules or procedures that inhibits somebody's free exercise of religion. It doesn't mean you have to help them exercise their religion. It just means you can't interfere with it. Her failure to inform the parents didn't have anything to do with inhibiting their religious exercise. She didn't do anything at all to inhibit anyone's religious exercise.
The school district also emphasized that the student approached the counselor about the topic, not the other way around. The child's parents are being represented by Bernadette Broyles, who leads the Child and Parental Rights Campaign, an anti-LGBTQ law firm. She told me in an emailed statement, quote, Clay County School District's motion to dismiss is the predictable response of school officials trying to avoid liability for their actions. We will respond as needed in court. And we're live here in Clay County now. The Clay County School District hasn't actually confirmed that these counseling meetings with the student actually happened, and they actually accused the parent's attorney of filing a false case to incite the public for political reasons, they say. The district spokesperson said, in part, quote, there is a lot of information that we cannot publicly disclose due to the Federal Education Rights and Privacy Act, that's FERPA. And therefore, she says, the full story is not portrayed in the media. All employees of the district consistently work to ensure that the best interests of all students are served. So there are things, obviously, that the district cannot say. But we do have the district's full motion to dismiss for you to read through in full on our website, news4jax.com. Reporting live, I'm Joe McLean, Channel 4, the local station.